First things first, let's restart the server and DNS client services. This is often enough to clear up any glitches that might be causing the issue. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the Services app by searching for it in the Start menu. 2. Scroll down to find the server service. 3. Right-click on Server and select Restart. Give your system a moment to restart these services. Then try copying the file again to see if the error is resolved. Since this issue involves a network drive, there might be a connection problem. Windows has a built-in network troubleshooter that can help diagnose and fix these issues. Here's how to run it. Open the Get Help app from the Start menu. In the search bar, type Run the Windows Network and Internet Troubleshooter and hit Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the troubleshooter to scan your system and suggest fixes. Once the troubleshooter has done its job, try copying the file again. Sometimes a registry tweak can fix the problem. Here's what to do. Open Registry Editor by typing regedit in the Start menu and run it as administrator. Then navigate to HKEY_local_machine. Then System. Then CurrentControlSet. Then Control. Then Session Manager. Then Memory Management. Find the LargeSystemCache entry and set its value to 1. After making these changes, restart the server service as we did in step 1. Check if the error is gone. Still no luck? No worries. We have one last method to try. If background processes are causing interference, we can try copying the file in a clean boot state. Here's how to set that up. 1. Open Run, type msconfig, and hit OK. 2. In the General tab, uncheck Load Startup Items, but keep Load System Services checked. 3. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All. 4. Head over to Startup and click Open Task Manager. 5. Disable all startup programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Now, reboot your computer and try copying the file again. And hopefully the video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. If you have any other issues or questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.